Hi guys,
What's up? This is Matteo,
I'm his cousin.
younger cousin by the way. Anyway, so we have his bike. Here it is, right here. And to give us a little bike check.
So this is my bike. It was inspired by Fixie Fred and Manila Urban Fix.
Hell yeah.
So we have an Lvdao frame and Alpina fork.
I'm pretty sure the frame was also from MUF, yeah?
We got for cockpit, we got Uno stem,
Yes.
some unknown steel riser bar, 600 mm.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, the Uno's 130 plus and -7.
Yeah. It's also raining.
Yeah, it's a bit rainy here. For our saddle, we have a Ridpop copy saddle from, I don't know, VP Cycling, I think.
Okay.
Then we got an Enva OEM carbon seat post, 27.2. Then for our crankset, we got Celt V2 with auto chainring. And our chain is Maya, I think, Maya. And we got ordinary cogs and lock ring, 14T.
Alright.
For our wheel set, we have arch type rims,
Yes.
like H plus Sun copy. Then Novatec hubs, yeah.
I'm pretty sure you're also forgetting the Alpina fork.
I already said that.
Did you say that?
Yeah, it's actually just an OEM copy. I'm buying legit.
Alright.
And our spokes are Ragusa steel.
Yep.
Tires are Compass. I forgot we had Shimano PDR 540 fleece
Yeah.
pedal. Yeah. And okay, Fila.
It's Fila, bro. I don't have my bike with me.
Yeah, so that's basically it. That's
basic.
my bike.
Yeah. Ah. Yeah, okay, stop that.